YouTube, what's going on? Dude, Heat, and I'm back. Like your evil ex-girlfriend with a brand new video. This time I want to show you guys the latest pickup. I haven't done this one yet. It's the Jordan 3 Fragment. I haven't done a video on this one yet. Wasn't planning on it, but figured since I'm doing the Jordan 4 Union. I'm sorry, I had a couple glasses of wine before this. Figured it's the best time to do it. I want to show you guys the frags. The shoe's alright. The shoe's alright. A little simple, a little more basic, but I like it. Got it for retail. Let me know if you guys got it down below. Point of this video, the Jordan 4 Union. Okay? Let me know down below if you guys got your hands on these today. They just released. I'm gonna say I love the packaging more than the shoe itself. Before we start, like, comment, let me know down below, subscribe if you haven't already. The packaging is unreal, bro. Packaging is super, super nice. It's a cream colored box. Receipt. And then look at the tissue. Super vibrant, super nice. I'm gonna have a real versus fake comparison on these, I think soon. The guy I usually get the fakes from, he said he's got a really good pair coming. Obviously, there's always gonna be flaws. I wanna let you guys know what the real deals look like so that you are not getting ripped off. But let's get these guys in hand. So, it's the right shoe. I'll be real with you guys, like in hand, the shoe is much better than the photos. It's gonna take a lot for me to get used to. I don't love this shoe. I still don't love this shoe in hand. I think it's cool. I think it's very different. I think it's one of those shoes that like later down the line I might be like, wow, this is such a fire shoe, but it's gonna take me a little bit of time to warm up to. The tongue, I'm happy there, you're able to do that unstitching. I think that's 100% necessary. I don't like what's happening here. I'm so used to the original Jordan 4 silhouette, so if you're first getting into Jordans and you see it like this, you might not mind it, but for me, it's an absolute heinous crime to have it like that. Like, yeah, on the back is whatever, and then you have this, like, it's truly a yellow, like, and my light is really, really coming on strong, but this is like, this isn't a Jordan 1 Travis Scott midsole yellow. This is like a true, like, I haven't had water in the last 18 hours. It's that color. Like, this is unreal. You got these yellow laces, black laces come. And remember, if you're ever looking at the fakes, remember, sometimes they aren't laced properly. So always remember, the laces are always gonna be like this when you buy a dead stock. Got something to dead stock, make sure it's laced like that. So the mixed material play, I will say on this, is quite nice. I mean, it is different. I love mixed material plays on shoes. I think it's very unique. I think it's very cool. Show you guys the left shoe. I'm not gonna give you guys a history breakdown of Union and any of that stuff. You guys know all about it already. You got a see-through transparent wings tab. Everything's pretty standard on Jordan 4. Got the OG heel. It's just the mixed material plays, which are very, very unique, and they're nice. So you got a toe box with that ballistic mesh that we all know and love, and then you guys kind of know that from the Jordan 11, right? And then this is actually, so this is a suede. These two materials feel a little different. This is definitely a more of like a buttery suede. Really soft, really nice. Then you got more of that ballistic mesh up there. Correct me if I'm wrong, if it's not ballistic mesh. And then this one feels more like a buck to me. More like a new buck. So, I mean, right then and there, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 with all the plastic. I mean, you got like at least 4, probably 5+ mixed material plays on the shoe, which is very, very unique, and that's usually why it's very, very sought after. There's a lot going on. It's a really quick review. Let me know down below if you guys got these. Let me know if you guys like this shoe. I'm curious. I still gotta warm up to it, I'll be honest. I think when the tongue is unstitched, I'll look at these a little differently. Oh, I forgot, you got the Union LA tag underneath. I thought they killed it with the ones. Like, they absolutely killed it with the ones. I love the ones. It's the 4s that I'm like, it's okay. I thought if they did more of a tan sole here, with the tan laces, could have been super dope. I still think it's nice. Much more wearable than the other version, the white, or whatever you're calling it. I will do a full kind of look at like a real versus fake once I can get a pair of those going. But if you want a more in-depth review for legit checks and all that, please let me know. There's a lot of details, as you guys can see, and I think they did a really great job in terms of executing that, because a lot of the time, you know, back in the day, it wasn't about the box and presentation. It was about the shoes. You took the box, and in fact, I had boxes back in the day, you throw them out. Now, you keep the box. The box is almost just as important as the shoes. If you just have the shoes and feel like, where's the box? People look at you funny. Oh, I threw it out. People look at you funny. Now it's about having the whole kind of set, and I think of all the shoes in the past year, from my knowledge, and I could be wrong, but this is one of the better packaging efforts by Jordan Brand. I think they did a really good job. A really good job. So that's it. Jordan 4 Union. Let me know down below if you guys caught these, if you guys like these. Is this worth it? Is these not worth it? Would you pay resale? Or, you know, did you get them for retail? Let me know down below. And let me know if you want to see that real versus fake, because a lot of people are watching this probably looking to buy a pair. I want to show you guys all of those details. I'm going to get my hands on a pair soon, hopefully. Till then, keep it locked. Like, comment, subscribe. Dude, Heat signing out. Instagram down below. If you ever need legit checks, I do them for free. Peace.